not right, then make it right. Leg first, take up to your waist. It will go into your mouth. This is already blocked. This you seal with your lips. So water will not enter. Keep it here. With two fingers, you take it right back. Okay? And make it. When you wear it, make sure your hair must not come between your forehead and this, because water needs slit to enter. Hot air is coming. Wait, you wait.
Don't worry. यार आओ the water. ध्रुव ने क्या ना ध्रुव ने मैसेज कर दो पद्दन आ रहा है पिछोड़ी में.
Okay, Gulab. Hold the bait. Dive. Okay, Raj, hold the bait. Dive.
This is good. Enjoying it.
आराम से. Now, this mouthpiece is attached to this tank. When you go underwater, if you feel okay, comfortable, then this is okay sign. Okay. By any chance you want to come up, okay, then 3-4 fingers like this, one like this. Okay.
मैच થઈ શકતો હે ને તો
You come here.
સર નો જો उसका मुंह जो પેલા ના
All the best. Dive. All the best. Dive.
अंदर ये मजा आएगा.